Accessible information is important for a number of factors. If you have any sort of sensory loss or language requirements, just so you can understand what's happening or what's going to happen, and you can be involved in that sort of pathway or care pathway. But secondly, and for me more importantly, it's accessible information is key if we're to actually get population involvement, if we're going to get communities involved in leading change, positive change around health and well-being and social care.
In engaging with the community, so for example if you're doing some consultation, you need to ensure that the information that you provide is fully accessible, otherwise they're not going to be able to engage with you.
So the most important thing you can do is to ask people for details of how they would like to receive information and what their preferred format would be.
By making those little changes, just making the text bigger or having it in the preferred format to that person, just makes you feel like you are included in society. I know it sounds dramatic, but you know, you take those little everyday things for granted.
My mother was there helping me go through my post because it was all in print. That she sort of looked at me and was like, Dan, you've got a summons to court, you need to do something about this. But they were summoning me to court because I hadn't paid my council tax bill, and it was easily remedied. I just had to call them up and explain my circumstances and, you know, set the payments up properly, and, you know, as soon as I'd explained things to them, they removed the court summons and that. But that was a stressful experience.
Ein cyngor bydd I sicrhau eich bod chi'n cynhyrchu gwybodaeth syml a hygyrch I bobl, a hefyd I gofyn I bobl sut maen nhw moyn derbyn gwybodaeth a beth yw'r ffurf gorau iddyn nhw. A y peth pwysicaf hefyd yw I gofyn I bawb beth maen nhw angen. A hefyd mae gennym ni gwasanaeth trawsgrifio yma yn RNIB Cymru, felly cysylltwch â ni I gofyn I ni am fwy o gwybodaeth.
You feel that you've got the same rights as everybody else to keep your personal data or information from hospitals private for yourself is very important, I think.
So that's why I really encourage people just to take that little time, that simple question to ask somebody what their preferred format, and the difference that can make to one's like day-to-day life.